Hi there, and thank you for visiting the Lakeside Yard Services YouTube channel. In this video, we are working with a client who has a vacation home on Lake Hartwell in Fairplay, South Carolina. This client needed a new gravel driveway installed, so we went ahead and graded the entire existing driveway, which is about a half a mile total length, all the way down with a circular driveway in a small area that goes from the driveway to the existing golf cart path. So we went ahead and graded the site, dug out both sides of the driveway for drainage. Then we installed new crusher run over all of that, and then packed it with an asphalt layer. After that was done, we went ahead and top dressed the whole driveway with clean 57 stone, and that just helps with standing water and additional erosion. So if you're looking for a project like this, please give us a call at 864-916-2018. Thank you very much.